When a cup of tea is consumed, a calming and powerful biological process begins inside the body. From the first sip, warm liquid flows into the stomach, carrying antioxidants, natural compounds, and gentle stimulants. The digestive system activates, allowing these beneficial elements to move forward for absorption. As tea reaches the intestines, microscopic villi absorb polyphenols, L-theanine, and fluids, releasing them into the bloodstream. The body responds. The brain receives a balanced combination of calm and alertness, improving focus while reducing mental stress. Blood vessels benefit from antioxidant protection, supporting healthy circulation and heart function. Muscles and organs receive gentle stimulation, promoting steady energy without sudden spikes. At the same time, tea supports hydration and metabolic activity, helping the body maintain balance and clarity. But moderation matters. Too much tea may irritate the stomach,